Hi, I'm Jill, and welcome to a new 2-minute tongue twister challenge. Tongue twister this week has 3 different sounds in it. It has w, v, and f. So the tongue twister is: wild vines make fine vintage wines. Once more, wild vines make fine vintage wines. So first of all, the w sound has 2 words, wild and wines. So your lips move forward, w, wild and wines. Now the other 2 sounds, f and v, your mouth has the same shape. So your top teeth touch your bottom lip. With f for fine, you don't use your voice box. It's an unvoiced sound, fine. But for v, it's the same shape, top teeth on your bottom lip, but you should feel the sound here. It's a voiced sound. Vintage and vines. Vintage and vines. So put it all together. Wild vines make fine vintage wines. Once more. Wild vines make fine vintage wines. Now, you try. Wild vines make fine vintage wines. Wild vines make fine vintage wines. So how did you go? Could you say the tongue twister? Wild vines make fine vintage wines. Don't worry if you can't. Keep practicing. Just a couple of minutes practice every day will help to strengthen your English muscles, improve your English pronunciation, and so improve your English listening. For lots more tongue twisters, limericks, phonetic sounds, and other ways to practice your English pronunciation, you can head over to Jill's English Pronunciation Gym, which you can find here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.